Dear students, in this section we will see course objective and course outcomes of computer architecture and organization, as well as we will discuss the syllabus of computer architecture and organization. So the first course objective is to understand the design principle of digital computing system. Second, to provide the essential understanding of different subsystems of modern computer system and design aspect of these systems. Third objective is to provide overview of performance enhancement method in instruction execution. Now, course outcomes. So the course outcomes are, first is to describe the basic components and design of a computer system. To describe the basic component and design of a computer system. Second, to examine the issues involved in the instruction execution and various stages of instruction life stage. Third is to apply the concept of various memories and interfacing technologies. Fourth course outcome is to analyze the different parallel processing technique, and the last course outcome is to design different high performance computing architecture. Okay, so these are the course objective and course outcomes. Now we will discuss a syllabus. So first unit consists of basic functional blocks of a computer: CPU, memory, input output subsystem, control unit, instruction set architecture of CPU, then registers, which are the registers in the processors, instruction execution cycle, how the instruction is executed, RTL interpretation of instructions, means which are the micro operations involved in the execution of the instruction, addressing modes, instruction set architecture of CISC and RISC, and it is having a case study, instruction set of common CPUs. Okay. Second unit is based on the numericals, that is fixed point addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, floating point arithmetic, high performance arithmetic, Booth's algorithm, integer division, data representation method, Booth's multiplication, this is the algorithm for the multiplication, division algorithm and example, IEEE standard single and double precision format and example. Third unit is based on the memory, which consists of memory hierarchy, memory chip organization, cache memory, virtual memory, parallel bus architecture, internal communication methodology, serial bus architecture, mass storage, input and output devices, segmentation and page replacement algorithms. Then fourth unit is based on the pipelining, which consists of basic concepts of pipelining, arithmetic and instructions pipeline, throughput and speed, pipeline hazards, introduction, logic design conventions, building a data path, a simpler implementation scheme, and overview of pipelining, pipeline data path and control data hazards, forwarding versus what is stalling, control hazards, exceptions, parallelism via instructions. Okay. And the last unit is a CPU control unit design, which consists of hardware and macro program design approaches, case study, design of a simple hypothetical CPU, multiprocessor architecture, and advanced topics and its application. Okay, so this is the syllabus of computer architecture and organization, and the textbooks are for that is Computer Organization and Architecture by Karl Hamacher, 4th edition, then Advanced Computer Architecture by Kai Wang, and Introduction to Parallel Processing Algorithms and Architecture by Behrouz Farhami. Okay, so these are the textbooks. So thank you so much.